Some important features of the Rotowash machines are the safety cable tie, the safety locking block. This safety locking block prevents the machine being started accidentally. Another feature of Rotowash is the brush pressure indicator. As the brushes are worn, the pressure can be altered accordingly. The brush locators are on the inside of the machine. When replacing brushes, slot the brush onto the locator and replace the spindle from the electrical side of the machine and through the brush. A very simple and quick operation.